I'm officially in my soft girl era, all thanks to ISEE Hair, which gave me this soft, beautiful look with the Burmese curly crochet human hair. Anyway guys, hello and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It is your favorite baby girl, Mama Dyna Ekwueme, in the building, and today we got a package from ISEE Hair. You guys usually know that ISEE Hair delivers nothing but premium packaging with a whole lot of goodies in their package. Today we will be unboxing and reviewing this Burmese curly human hair extension. As you can see, this is the pouch that came with 4 packs of the 20-inch of this human hair, and you have clips there, you have hairband, you have instructions for you to understand how this hair works, how to maintain it, and all of the information you will be needing. I absolutely love working with this brand because they do not miss. They do not miss, and this hair gave me serious hard lunch this 2026. But yeah, this is the hair. It comes in 4 packs. Like I mentioned earlier, it's 20-inch long and it's the Burmese curly human hair extension. Can you see how beautiful this hair is? Sincerely, this video is not doing justice to how this hair feels in real life. Anyway, we will be using a hairstylist just for you guys to see, you know, the details of this hair properly. Anyone can do this hair. Even you can do it by yourself. Even if you don't have a hairstylist doing it for you, it's very easy to just pop on and, you know, to take out as well. This hair, you would be needing a crochet pin. As you can see, this hair is a crochet human hair extension, so definitely a crochet pin is a must. It is very easy to install. At this point, you can see 2 packs already gone. You can see how quick it is to install. All you need to do is take out the human hair extension and use your crochet pin. As you can see on the screen, this is how it comes, and just create a loop with it on your woven hair, and voila, that's it. It's very easy. This hair took about 20 to 25 minutes to complete the crocheting. It doesn't take as much time. It's very easy to just pop on your hair and also easy to remove. This hair, the one thing I love about it is it's not just the fact that it's lightweight, it's beautiful, it's soft, it's full. It is also reusable. If you're a gym girl, if you're a girl who just, you know, everyday life, you just want to be on the go, this hair is definitely your thing.
I know that look inside your eyes. You're looking for a quick reaction. Yeah, you just wanna see me cry. You only want a little drama. You don't want my heart at all. You're just checking if I'm standing, hoping that I'm gonna call. Yeah, you just want a little drama. Knew it from the very start. You just playing my feelings, but you'll never win.
Without doing much to this hair, look at that gorgeousness. Look at how full this is. It's just looking really full, and it's actually very lightweight. It's not heavy at all. It's just absolutely beautiful. This hair can be styled pretty much anyhow you want to style it. I decided to go with, you know, center part and just style it however, so you can see how versatile this hair can, you know, be. This is just everything you need right now in your life for that up and go movement that you need. All the details of this hair, you will find it in the description area below, or go to www.iseehair.com to purchase this particular hair. You can click the link in the description area to get discount when you purchase this hair. Anyway, if you absolutely love what you see on the screen, do check out this hair, make a purchase, and let me know what you think. If you love this video, give it a massive thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video. For now, bye bye.